Give me $10 and I'll give you 1,000 back in 24 hours. But if you've ever tried those things, you know what that leads to. Trading is 95% mindset and 5% strategy. Your trading mindset right now is the reason why you're making or losing money. If you've got the wrong trading mindset, it doesn't matter how much trading capital you have or what strategy you use, you would never be a profitable trader. In this video, I will show you the three worst trading mindsets to have and how to fix them so you can become the profitable and successful trader that you want to be. Make sure to watch this entire video because you probably have one of these. I have a client that I currently work with, and in the beginning, he really struggled with making money consistently in trading. And the reason why is because he had a mindset problem. Let me explain to you what used to happen. He would start making money and following the rules of exactly what he's supposed to do. So if he knows that, okay, this is how I'm supposed to make the money, I should TP here, I should take my sell loss here, I should do this and this and this, he will follow that. And then when his account builds up to a certain point, when he reaches a certain point, he would blow it. Now, I would message him and because I'm always continuously following up with my clients, I'm always talking to them, we're always interacting. So I'll message him. He's like, things are going great. I'm making money. I'm even about to make a withdrawal. And then when I message him again, I'm like, oh, did you manage to make the withdrawal? And he's like, oh, no, I blew my account. And I wonder, like, what happened? What did you do? What changed? And once we sit down together and we look at the trades that he was taking together, I would always find out that at a certain point he would just switch. He'll start to use big lot size, right? Big lot sizes. He would start to take trades that he's not supposed to take. He would start gambling instead of trading. And for a long period of time, this continued. He would blow his account and then start again and make money and make money and make money, following the rules of what he's supposed to do. But immediately the account reaches a certain point, you'd blow it, right? And I would, and I used to wonder, like, what's going on, right? What's going on with this person? Because this person clearly has the ability to be successful. This person clearly can make money, but why do they always go back to these habits of using a big lot size, of taking trades they're not supposed to take? And what I found out is that they had a mindset problem, right? We found out that he had a mindset problem because when he was starting out to trade, he was exposed to this. You know how it is in trading, where you're seeing people that taking $5 accounts that making 500, that taking $3 accounts that turning it into thousands. And because that's the way he was introduced to trading, because that's the way he thought trading was, when he started trading, when he was making money, his mindset was to do the same thing. Even though he was making money progressively, even though he was making gains consistently, because that's the way he was introduced to trading. Because in his early days of trading, what he saw was people turning $5 into thousands, or turning $100 into thousands, because that's what he saw, which is very unrealistic, and which is something that doesn't even happen on a consistent basis. Because that's what he saw, that's how his mindset was formed, and that's how he thought about trading. So once we discovered this, we started working on his mindset, and we started shifting it from this frame of you should make thousands and thousands of dollars from a small account to, hey, if you continue doing this. We sat together, and I said, and I told him, can you see that if you're following the rules, you're making money? But immediately you stop following the rules, you start to lose money. And he said, yes, that's actually true. Every time I stop following the rules, that I'm supposed to follow, I start losing money. And we started working on that mindset together. I started holding him accountable. So what we started doing was that every single day that he trades, he would send me screenshots of his trades. And slowly and progressively, we worked on his mindset and was able to shift it where now he's actually even able to make those $1,000 withdrawals, but he's not blowing his account. He's not trying to turn $100 into 10,000 into tens and thousands in a day, but he's able to do the same thing in a month, right? So instead of trying to do it in a day and blowing his account, he's able to do it in a month. And I'm going to show you the things that we actually did. First, I'm going to show you the three worst mindsets to have in trading, then I'll show you how to fix them the same way I help my client fix their mindset problem. So these are the three worst mindsets to have in trading. The first one is short-term thinking. What does this mean? It means you're only concerned about how you can make money today. You're only concerned about how you can make money this week. You're only concerned about, like, you're thinking to yourself, how can I make a lot of money today? How can I grow my account from the small account it is from $20? How can I make $200 today? And I get it, I understand. You probably have problems, you probably have bills you need to clear up, and you're looking for trading as a way out for those things. But you have to understand that that's not going to work. Yes, you can take a $20 account to 200. Yes, you can take $100 account and make 1,000. But if you're trying to force it to happen today, if you're trying to force it to happen this week, high chances you're just going to give that money away to the broker. So how do we actually fix this mindset problem? The way to fix this is you want to think about trading in terms of long term. So what you want to be thinking about is, if you've got a strategy and you've got a risk management, you want to test that out for the next 3 months. You want to test that out for the next 6 months. You want to test that out for the next year. You want to be thinking of trading in terms of months and years, not days and a week. You want to be thinking about trading about how much money can I make in a month? How much money can I make in 3 months? How much money can I make in 6 months? How much money can I make in a year? And when you start to think about trading in that way, you stop thinking short term and you start thinking long term, you're able to actually see that you're able to have a nice growth. It's a nice uptrend. Your trading has a nice uptrend because you're no longer trying to force profits to come out of nowhere in a day, in a week, and you're able to wait for those good setups that will provide the best returns. So that's how you fix this mindset problem. And I understand sometimes you might have a good strategy, but you struggle with risk management. If you're struggling with risk management right now, then you need the Bulletproof Risk Management Guide. People pay up to $300 to get a package that has this risk management guide in it, but I'm going to send it to you for free. Simply click the link in the description that will take you to my WhatsApp. Once you're on my WhatsApp, just tell me I need the risk management PDF and I'll send it to you for free. The second worst mindset to have in trading is get rich quick. What does this mean? It means you want to get rich quick through trading. You're gambling with trading, which means you want to put in $20 and get 20,000 back. You're seeing trading as a way to get rich quick. Now you have to understand, trading is not the lottery. Trading is not gambling. In trading, you've got better odds of gambling with the lotto or placing a bet in sports. If you're going to gamble in trading, you're basically just giving away free money. You're just basically giving away free money. If you want to get rich quick, play the lotto, play sports, but not in trading. You don't have to think about how can I get rich quick? How can I get rich quick? And I understand you've seen these things where people advertise these things where, like, Give me $10 and I'll give you 1,000 back in 24 hours. But if you've ever tried those things, you know what that leads to. So in trading, there is no get rich quick. There is no rags to riches in 24 hours. In trading, that doesn't happen. You have to fix that mindset. And how do we fix this mindset? We fix this mindset by you have to treat trading as a business. You have to think about trading as a business, which means you need to know this is how much profit I want to make in a month. You have to have a target, first of all. You need to have targets. This is how much profit I want to make. This is when I'm going to take my profit. This is how much capital I'm going to invest into this. You structure your trading as a business. And when you structure your trading as a business and not some get rich quick thing, that's when you're actually even going to start seeing returns. As long as you're treating trading as a get rich quick, you're giving away free money. But when you start to think about it as a business, this is how much capital I'm going to put in. This is how much profit I want to make. Okay, so from this much, if I put in this much, I'm going to be able to make this much every single month, every 3 months, every 6 months. When you're thinking about trading in that way, that is when you're going to start seeing gains. That is when you're going to start seeing profits come in. The third worst mindset to have in trading is using trading as an excuse to be lazy. What do I mean by this? Saying to yourself, well, I'm a trader. I don't have to do much. I just have to get that magical robot that's going to make me thousands of dollars every single day. And I can just sit around and do nothing. This is a very damaging mindset to have in trading. It's not going to help you. And how do we fix this mindset? You actually want to work hard and smart in trading. The same way, for example, the same way when you're in school, whether it's university, high school, whatever it is, you study, 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 study. You study hard, you study smart so that you're actually able to pass your exams. If you've got a business, you work hard in your business. If you've got a job, if you want to move higher in ranking in your job, you work hard at your job, you work smart at your job. The same way you work hard at these other things is the same way it's supposed to work hard in trading. And the good thing about trading is that if you don't even need to work extremely hard if you're able to work smarter, right? If you're able to work smarter, how do you work smarter? You get help from other people who've been where you've been so that they're able to show you a quicker way, a faster way of getting to the other point. But it doesn't mean that you don't have to do any work. You also have to work. You also have to put in the work the same way you put in work with these other things. So it's really important that you work hard in trading the same way you work hard at anything else. Now, if you're struggling with risk management, don't forget to get that risk management guide. But that's not all. If you want to know the 3 keys to consistent profits in trading, click the video that's appearing here on your screen, and I will see you there.